recording.
Okay, just put it like that.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna be making a paper airplane tutorial.
Okay.
So, if you have a piece of paper, you can do the same exact thing. But if you're using a sticky note, find the sticky part, and then fold it like that. Make sure it's exact. It has to be exact.
Oh, okay. So something like...
See? It has to be exact. Like that, yeah.
Something like this?
Gonna just, do that.
So something like this?
Yeah.
This?
That's pretty good, yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Then fold it, the rest of it, yeah. Then open it up.
Make sure it's not posting that's coming in the video.
So it'll be like this, and then to open it up, and then you'll have a line right there that can guide you. Just like that. And then you take this side, you line it up with the line, and then you fold it. Just like that.
Oh, and then you do the same on the other side?
Yeah.
Lining it up with the line.
And sometimes they may not be even, so you can take it out like that.
So would it be something like this?
Yeah, so you make sure he did perfectly, pretty perfect, but you have to make sure it's lined up like that on the bottom. So mine wasn't exactly lined up in the beginning, so let me just put that right. I wonder when this will be the next time you're watching it.
Remember, it's only 5. It only goes up to 5 minutes.
Oh yeah, this is going to take less than 5 minutes.
Okay.
And then you'll have this. Then with Post-it notes, they're a little smaller, so paper would work better. I prefer like printer paper.
Oh, make it like an envelope?
Yeah.
And it has to be exact?
Yeah. Well, make sure these are pointy, not like kind of squared.
Oh, okay. So
like, see, that one's kind of like this one is slightly squared right there. Make sure it's cornered like this one. Hi, future Rohan. And if you're there, hi, future Ansel. What's up?
Okay, so back to this.
Okay.
Okay, back to this.
Then we take the side right there, and the line will be slightly visible, kind of. If the line should be slightly visible, and then so you take this corner right here, and you match it up with the line somewhere. And try to make sure not to have like this side, this thing right here, not coming out too much, or else it might, be too messed up. But don't also make it like that, or else that'll mess it up too.
So like this?
Yeah, see that? Don't do that. You have to at least try to get it into the middle. In paper, this won't happen. Yeah, if you use printer paper, this shouldn't happen. So, yeah. And then
same on the other side?
Yeah.
And it should look like this, future Rohan.
Okay, so
then record fast.
There should be a little thing right here, like that. Just take this right here and fold it up so it holds it together. These two. So if you fold this, it'll hold these two things together.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
And then all you have to do is fold it like this, like that. Fold it nicely. and then fold it like this, and do the other side, and then you should have a paper airplane. Yeah, yours is pretty good.
Yeah, these are pretty good. And now, if you want to add some lines, those like the circle thingies that go up on this, you just take other Post-it notes and then attach it so it looks like this. Looks like that.
It's pretty cool.
It's so cool. It flies much better.
Here. Let's kind of fly them.
Let's fly them, yeah.
Okay. Ready, Rohan?
Ready?
3,
2, 1.
Wait, you're holding it the wrong way.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
He's holding it the wrong way.
3, 2, 1.
Go. Oh, what went to the bathroom? Okay, that one's a loft for sure.
No, I went down here. There's one down here.
Is that mine or is that yours?
This is mine.
Yeah, that's yours.
No, I saw them both down here. Okay.
Oh, it's right there.
Where? Unrecord.
It's right there.
Oh, I see it. Okay, unrecord. Unrecord.
Bye. Dun 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 dun.